think an entire blueprint needs to be chalked out with a proper development plan to make it into a model constituency, because unfortunately today it's probably the most backward constituency in Maharashtra. सरकार इकडे महाराष्ट्रामध्ये.
Miss NC, if you win today, what are the changes that you're going to bring in your constituency?
I think there are too many changes required. 15 years you had an MLA, but no development at all. Cluster redevelopment and housing is the biggest issue for people in Mumbai Devi. If you look at women, what do women want? They want safety, security. There are no hospitals, there are no schools. Unfortunately, open spaces is a distant dream. So I think an entire blueprint needs to be chalked out with a proper development plan to make it into a model constituency, because unfortunately today it's probably the most backward constituency in Maharashtra.
How did you reach the voters there, since demography plays a very significant role, and Amin Patel?
You know, I have never played divisive politics. I've tried to take everyone along in every sense. But having said that, there are certain parties that only appease vote banks and play pseudo-secular politics. I think we need to move beyond that. The time has come to only talk about development, and the younger generation understands that. The women have been so inspired by the Chief Minister's Ladki Behan Yojana and the kind of applause that women have given to this scheme, because their lives have been empowered. So in Mumbai Devi, of 40,000 women, you have 15,000 Ladki Behans, which are Muslims. So everyone has come along and supported, and I'm sure it will be a historic victory. माँ मुंबा देवी का आशीर्वाद तो हमेशा लेते हैं, लेकिन मुंबईकर होने के नाते गणपति बापा मोरया, तो सिद्धि विनायक में यहाँ गणपति बापा का आशीर्वाद लेके यही एक लक्ष्य है कि महायुति की सरकार आए, हम जनहित में काम करें सेवक और सेविका के रूप में, और देखें कि भारत एक विकसित भारत की तरफ और महाराष्ट्र एक प्रगतिशील रफ्तार से, जैसे 1.5 साल में हमने देखा है एकनाथ शिंदे, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, अजीत पवार को, और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के इतने सारे लाभार्थी स्कीम्स हैं, तो लोगों ने विश्वास जताया है।
प्रचार के समय बहुत बड़ा उम्दा प्रतिशत जो है आपको मिला, उसका मतों में रूपांतर हुआ होगा, ऐसा लग रहा है आपको?
मुझे लगता है कि मत जरूर मिलेंगे। लोगों को पता है कि मैं सच्चाई के साथ काम करना चाहती हूं, और जो काम प्रधानमंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री ने किया उसका लाभ फायदा जरूर है, लेकिन जनता जानती है कि जब 15 साल आपने एक नेता को मौका दिया, जहां एक क्लस्टर रीडेवलपमेंट नहीं, एक प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं, एक स्कूल नहीं, एक अस्पताल नहीं, बेसिक अमेनिटीज नहीं, अभी भी इतनी समस्या, लोग त्रस्त हैं पानी और बिजली को लेके, और मुंबा देवी सबसे पिछड़ा कंस्टिट्यूएंसी है, तो मैं मानती हूँ लोग मुझे जरूर चुनेंगे।
Do you think Lok Sabha election results might have set the tune for results, or maybe it could be
Look, for people who try to set a false narrative, they will constantly go on about numbers. But as they say, that, you know, jo jeeta wohi Sikandar, and I'm very confident that today that jeet is going to be of the Mahayuti.
Thank you, madam.